Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fit and fine. This is Rutika Sharma, your social science teacher of grade 9, wishing you a very warm good morning. I'm making this video in order to help you people to understand what changes in syllabus of grade 9 social studies the CBSE has made. So this video will all about the changes made in syllabus of grade 9 social science. I will be covering all the components. Before going directly to the changed syllabus, let me ask you, you all guess, is your syllabus reduced or increased? Just guess. So, my dear students, there is a good news for you that the syllabus of grade 9 social science has been reduced. CBSE has acknowledged your troubles. CBSE has considered all your difficulties, that you all are sitting at homes, you are trying to learn new topics, new content, right, new chapters of grade 9, then you are taking tests sitting at homes, and CBSE has understood all your troubles. That is why CBSE has revised syllabus of grade 9 social science, and luckily that syllabus has been reduced. So without wasting much time, let's go through the revised syllabus of grade 9 social science. So the component that we will be talking about first is history. Dear students, you can see in history in your book 4 chapters have been mentioned, right? First is, I'm going to talk about the syllabus that was included for the session 2019-20. You can see in the table that for the session 19-20, it means last year we had 4 chapters from the component of history. That is, number 1, the French Revolution, number 2, socialism in Europe and Russian Revolution, then we had Nazism and rise of Hitler, the 4th one is forest society and colonialism, right? So out of these 4 chapters, 1 chapter has been deleted from CBSE. That means the 4th chapter of your book is not part of your syllabus for the session 2020-21. This has been done by CBSE just in order to help you during the COVID-19 crisis. So you cannot be guiding your juniors that the same chapter will not be part of their syllabus too, but it is only for you. Due to COVID-19, CBSE has deleted chapter number 4 of history. You can see in the slide. So that's it for history. The major change or the only change in the syllabus is that chapter 4 has been deleted. Now let's go through the syllabus of next component of social science, that is political science. Dear students, as you know, in your book 6 chapters are mentioned, but first chapter is was never part of your syllabus, so we have not done anything of first chapter. So we will be counting first chapter as what is democracy, why democracy. So there are total 5 chapters in your book of political science. First is what is democracy, why democracy. Second is constitutional design. The third is electoral politics. The fourth is working of institutions, and the fifth one is democratic rights. Now CBSE has made 2 major changes in the syllabus of political science. For the session 2021, you can see in the table that from second chapter, whose revision is still going on in your live classes, constitutional design, only 1 topic from this chapter is deleted by CBSE. Just pay attention, only 1 topic. 2.1 topic of this chapter has been deleted. And what is the title of this topic? That is written in the slide with the red color: Democratic Constitution in South Africa. Only this topic is deleted by CBSE, not the whole chapter. And the next major change made by CBSE in curriculum of political sciences, the whole chapter 5 democratic rights are has been deleted. That means you do not have to read anything about democratic rights. Whole chapter is deleted by CBSE. I hope you all are getting the changes in curriculum of social science. So till now we have done two components, history and political science. Now let's talk about economics. If you see in your book of economics, 4 chapters are mentioned, and these all 4 chapters were part of the syllabus during 2019-20 session. But the only change is chapter number 4, food security in India, is deleted by CBSE totally, right? So like in history, political science, in economics also, CBSE has reduced one chapter from your syllabus, that is the 4th chapter, food security in India. So in economics, all you have to do is 3 chapters. Number 1, the story of village Palampur, whose online quiz is also has also conducted. Number 2, people as resource, whose revision is done in live classes. Number 3, poverty as a challenge, which is going on in your live classes, right? So in economics, only one change is there. Chapter 4 is eliminated from your syllabus, so you have only 3 chapters. The final component left for discussion is geography. See, if I talk about geography, you can see in your textbook 6 chapters are written. Number 1, India's size and location. Number 2, physical features of India. Number 3, drainage. Number 4, climate. Number 5, natural vegetation and wildlife. And number 6 is population. But for this session, CBSE has made 2 major changes in geography. That is, if I talk about 3rd chapter, drainage, in which we were discussing all rivers and lakes of India, this chapter has been deleted by CBSE. Only one topic is to be included in the syllabus, that is the map work, identification of rivers, location of river and lakes, that's all, right? So from drainage chapter, only one topic is to be covered, that is map work of the chapter, in which you are going to identify rivers, Himalayan rivers, peninsular rivers and Indian lakes, right? So only map work is to be done from drainage chapter. No theoretical portion is to be done from this chapter. The whole chapter is deleted by CBSE otherwise. And the last change in the syllabus of geography is chapter 6, population, is entirely deleted. So you do not have to read anything about population. My dear students, so these were the changes made by CBSE in the syllabus of social science grade 9. The last thing that I want to tell you, that each component of social science was carrying 20 marks, like geography was of 20 marks, economics was of 20 marks, history was of 20 marks and political science was of 20 marks. So this basic division of marks is still the same. There is no change in division. So all the 4 components of social science, history, political science, geography, economics, these all 4 components of social science still carry 20 marks each. So there is no change in the division of marks among all these components. I hope you all are able to get what I am trying to tell you, that is the revised syllabus. And above this post 2 links has been shared. You can see the first link is about the CBSE curriculum revised syllabus. You can all go through the syllabus yourself, the changed syllabus, and the next link is deleted portion of the syllabus. So these 2 links are of CBSE circulars, in which CBSE has discussed syllabus of social science grade 9 in detail. You can read this for your reference. Thank you so much for joining me. And now, since your syllabus has been reduced, keep revising, keep hard working and excel your stream. Thank you so much.